Hey, I'm Steve, and I recently bought the Angler Mag Magnet Fishing Kit. Magnet fishing was something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and this was my first trip out actually using it. So there's nothing to it, okay? You just throw the magnet out, it's tied to a rope, drag it back to you, and if you're lucky, maybe you have snagged some metal. I'll tell you right now, it is fun and addicting, especially after you start finding some metal. It comes with a very long section of rope, so you don't have to worry about that. And one of the things I really like is the rope actually floats. You're not going to lose your rope. The magnet that comes in this kit is strong and high quality, and all of the parts that come in the kit are very, very good. The kit comes with everything you need to start magnet fishing. So did I find any metal? Well, actually I did. There's a photo of the metal that I found using the magnet. Now I was in a kind of a bay area in coastal North Carolina, and I haven't tried this around docks and piers yet, but I expect I'm going to do a lot better when I go to those places. Well, I can't wait to go do it again. I think this is going to turn into a really fun hobby for me. I think you'd like it too. So if you're looking at this Angler Mag Magnet Fishing Kit, I hope you found my video helpful.